Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, running boards, power brakes, driver's side remote mirror, dual exhaust, rear window wiper, interval wipers, leather upholstery, heated seats, keyless entry. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.